Okay, let's unpack the Fly-PI V2. There is a USB Type-C data cable inside. Then there is a pack of connector and the board itself. That is all of it. Then we take the board out. Okay, let's introduce the Fly-PI V2. It's a specifically designed for Clipper. Same size as Raspberry Pi. We have a H5 quad-core CPU and two 512 meg RAM chips. As Clipper hosts, Fly-PI V2 can be connected USB and CAN bus to other brand board and tool board. The connector of CAN bus is XH 2.544 pin. There are 12 to 24 volt power supply interface. We have provided both pre-terminated wire plugs and XH 2.54 connectors. With 5 volt fan. The fan is controlled by the H5 chip with ZH 1.5 connector. There is an interface for accelerometers. The interface is ZH 1.56 pin. Comes with pre-made terminated terminals. There is an FPC 3.5-inch screen interface. Wiring can be easily use as a Clipper screen. The 40-pin interface can extend the chip pins. We also have an M2 interface. We extended it based on the M2 interface. Equipped with 16 GB high-speed memory and dual-band Wi-Fi 5 GHz for low latency, 2.4 GHz for extended coverage. A cost-effective 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi module with broad compatibility. Both you can choose. For complete interface configuration details including interface diagrams and schematic diagrams, please refer to the official documentation. Multi-language documentation is available on our website. We also made Clipper system for Fly-PI V2. FlyOS system image. It can completely solve the error of user disconnection. Featuring accelerated boot-up speed and integrated power loss recovery, this module ensures uninterrupted operation during unexpected power interruptions. Combined with the shutdown module designed by Mellow, it will be able to achieve the Clipper power off continuation printing function. That's the end of the video. Remember to connect Mellow it if you need it. Thank you for watching.